The Sony Xperia 2 is an upcoming flagship smartphone expected to build on Sony's reputation for delivering premium devices tailored toward content creators, multimedia enthusiasts, and power users. Rumors and early leaks suggest it will feature a next-generation 4K, or near 4K, OLED display with a high refresh rate, ideal for both professional content editing and immersive media consumption. Powering the device is anticipated to be a top-tier Snapdragon chipset paired with ample RAM and storage to ensure smooth multitasking and high performance across demanding apps and games. A major focus is likely to be its camera system, which is expected to be co-developed with Sony's Alpha imaging division and include large sensors and advanced computational photography for exceptional low-light performance, video capture, and creative control. Audio quality is also expected to stand out, with high-resolution audio support and powerful stereo speakers enhancing the multimedia experience. Rounded out by a robust battery with fast charging and tight integration with Sony's ecosystem of creative tools and software. The Xperia 2 aims to be a smartphone that not only excels in everyday tasks, but also empowers creators to produce professional-grade content directly from their device.